Hi there, my name is Brecht and I'm the developer of WP Recipe Maker. With this video I'd like to give you a quick introduction to the plugin and why you should use it. So right now we're in the Google search results and this is actually one of the main reasons for using a recipe plugin. You can see our post, the post on our demo site. It's an amazing vegetable pizza, just an example, but it's showing up both here in the search results as a rich snippet and here in the carousel with the stars, the rating, the time it takes to make the recipe, some of the ingredients, and all of this is possible because WP Recipe Maker takes care of adding the correct recipe metadata to all of your posts. And all of this happens automatically just by filling in the recipe fields into our plugin. You don't have to do anything and we take care of all of that in the backend. So let's click through and go to our website, and this is what a recipe created with our plugin could look like. So right here on top you can see those buttons, which are useful if you write long post content but you want your visitors to be able to jump to the recipe directly. So we have jump to recipe, and there you go, the amazing vegetable pizza recipe. You have a bunch of information here. You have the ratings. Visitors can rate those recipes. You can include equipment with images. You can have your visitors adjust the serving size, so ×2, ×3, or even whatever they need. You can convert things from US customer units to metric units, and then still adjust the serving size after. In the instructions, you can add a media toggle like this, which is useful if you add images or videos to all of your instructions, for example. And you can have your visitors just toggle it the way they like. You can add a recipe video, you can add nutrition facts, a call to action to link to your Instagram, for example. We have a pin button here, the collections feature, which is quite advanced, so we'll not cover that here, but something to look into, and a print button. So let's give that a try. So this is what a print version of your recipes could look like. This template can be fully edited. There's room for ads here. You can have your visitors choose if they want to print the recipe image, instruction images, and again change the serving size if needed, and then email a link to this page or just print it, which we're not going to do right now. So there you go. And all of this is actually just a regular WordPress post. So with WPRM, well, let's close that. With WPRM, you're basically just adding recipes as part of a regular post. So here you can see the recipe block. This is the WPRM recipe block, which is just part of a regular post, just as you would normally write. And you can see there's a live preview of what this recipe looks like here. And here's an edit icon that we can click on to edit the recipe part itself. So this interface might seem a bit overwhelming, but you can just go through and fill in all the fields that you need. You don't need to fill in everything. You can drag things around. It's pretty intuitive. Just take some time getting used to it. So let's not dive into that for now. Another important page in your WordPress backend that our plugin will add is the WP Recipe Maker section right here, and specifically the Manage page. So this is an overview page that lists all of your recipes, and you can easily edit them here as well. So this is like a nice dashboard in case you want to do some recipe editing. You can do it all here without having to go into each individual post. You can sort here, you can search here, search for chicken recipes. You could enable other columns. For example, prep time. Now it's added the prep time column that we could sort by. Like this one takes longest apparently. A lot of different things here. There's bulk editing as well, where you can, you can select multiple recipes and bulk edit them to add terms, remove terms, things like that. All pretty advanced functionality that you don't need to know about right from the start, but it's all there. And the Manage page has other functionality as well. It lists all of the ingredients on your site, where you can add ingredient links, for example, equipment, courses, So a lot to discover here, and definitely not the first thing you need to look into, but know that it's all there, and there's just a lot of possibilities here. Then we have our settings page, which can also seem a bit overwhelming at the start because there's a lot here as well. All of these are settings you can use to customize a plugin to your liking, but again, the defaults here are fine, so don't worry about this too much at the start. And if there's anything you want to change but you're not sure how, just contact us and we're happy to help. Just one thing I'd like to cover here is the template editor, which can be used to edit any of the recipe templates. So for example, this was the one you're seeing we're using on the demo site, and this can be edited completely, so you can change text colors, background colors, all with a live preview. And I'm not going to dive into this too much right now, but know that all of this can be changed, and it's pretty intuitive. As you can see, you can just change the colors and see, change any of these options and just see what happens and make this exactly the way you want it. So let's cancel those changes for now. And I guess this was it for the quick overview. Once you start using the plugin, if you find it overwhelming, just go to this support page right here, and there's some documentation here. There's a link to our knowledge base, to our demo site. There's an email address you can use to contact us, or just use this question mark at the bottom and contact us directly, and we're happy to help you out. I mean, there's a lot to discover here, and I really think you like it, and just let me know if there are any questions at all. We're happy to help. So have fun. See you around. Bye.